Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers when the base is a multiple of power of 10. In the previous videos, we have learned how to multiply two numbers when the bases were just below 100. Now, let's start with multiplying two numbers. So 61 times 64. So if you have not watched the previous videos, kindly watch to understand the concept better. So first step is to find the base. As 61 and 64 both are close to 60, so 60 will be the base. And 60 is a multiple of 10. So 10 times 6 gives you 60. Now the base is 60. Now the next step is to find the deviation. So deviation will write 61 minus 60. That is, this number is how much deviating from the base. So that gives me plus 1. 64 minus 60, that gives me plus 4. So we'll write plus 1 and plus 4 here in the tabular form. Now the next step is to find the sum and the product. So we'll find the sum and write on the left hand side and product on the right hand side. Now we need to find the sum of these two numbers. So 61 plus 4 or 64 plus 1, and you can observe that both of them will give you same sum. So 61 plus 4 will give you 65 and 64 plus 1 will also give you 65. The next step is to find the product. So 1 times 4 gives you 4. So these steps are similar to the previous video. Now we need to follow one more step over here, that we need to multiply the sum over here with the multiplicative factor, that is 6. So we'll multiply 65 times 6, that gives me 390, and then we'll bring this 4 down. So my final answer will be 3904. Now let's try to understand how will we use this trick when we have a 3-digit number. So let's suppose we need to multiply 371 times 399. So we'll follow the same steps. So first we'll find the base, as 371 and 399 both are close to 400, and 400 is a multiple of 100, or we can say 10 times 10 multiplied by 4. So the multiplying factor here will be 4. Now we need to find the deviation. So how to find the deviation? 371 minus 400, that gives me 29, minus 29, and then we have 399 minus 400, that gives you minus 1. We will write the deviations here, minus 29 and minus 1. What's the next step? Yes, to find the sum and to find the product. So the sum will be 371 plus minus 1, so it will be 370. Product of these two numbers will be 29. Yes, the last step is to multiply this sum with the multiplying factor, that is 4. So we'll multiply this by 4 and we'll get 1480. Now we'll bring this 29 down. So my final answer is this. Hope you learned a lot from this video. Try applying these tricks, and by practice you will become better. Thank you for watching the video.